Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to save screenshots, images as PDF files using the Photos app on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. You just want to right click the photos, whatever you want to change to PDF file, right click on it and open with Photos in default Windows application. You just want to open it in Photos and go to three dot icon over here, go to print option over here, click on it and you just need to select the print Microsoft print to PDF that is selected in default. Just want to print, click on it and for example I'm saving in desktop guys. Say subscribe my channel. There we go guys, we get this file to PDF like this, changing like this. Open any browser you are using it. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.